Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, let us journey together to this comprehensive lesson on promoting your blog. We will delve deep into the intricacies of leveraging your blog to acquire customers and grow your business. Our journey will begin now. Measuring the quality of website or online content visitors alone doesn't provide meaningful insight into the success or effectiveness of a website, online marketing campaign, or digital platform. In other words, traffic is a vanity metric. The real focus should always be on acquiring new customers and driving growth for your business. Going viral may boost your ego, but it won't necessarily fill your bank account. Often, content marketing teams fixate on the wrong key performance indicators, such as the number of published articles or monthly blog visitors. However, our reps suggest that these are secondary to the ultimate KPI, the number of orders or sales per month. Think of your blog as a customer acquisition channel, not just a source of web traffic. This perspective is crucial, especially if your business doesn't rely on an ad revenue from raw traffic. Now, let's dive into the three main customer acquisition channels: word of mouth, search, and advertising. Word of mouth, often fueled by exceptional customers' experiences, can drive sales. Satisfied customers become brand advocates, spreading the word to their friends and acquaintances. Search is the second channel. When people have questions or need solutions, Google is their go-to resource. If your product can address their needs, it should be prominently featured in search results. The third channel is advertising. Despite the sheer volume of ads people encounter daily, it remains an effective means of reaching potential customers. However, the return on investment can be diluted due to ad saturation. But do you actually need a blog to tap into these channels effectively? To answer that question, let us look at a real-world example. Like these blogs are about different lacing styles. Their articles are about how to lace Nikes, how to lace Nike shoes, and how to lace Air Max 90. This is a prime example of how content marketing can drive customers to your business through Google searches. People discover the blog article, delve deeper into the website, and ultimately make purchases. The blog also contributes to word-of-mouth marketing. When people learn new ways to tie their shoelaces through the blog's content, they share their newfound knowledge on social media, amplifying your brand's reach. Moreover, your blog can serve as a powerful platform for promoting content related to your product, rather than directly pushing advertisement. This strategic approach often results in a significantly higher conversion rate compared to traditional sales pages. By providing valuable and informative content that addresses your audience's needs and concerns, you can build trust, establish authority in your niche, and ultimately drive more meaningful engagement with your products or services. It is a more subtle yet highly effective way to connect with your target audience and achieve your marketing goals. In conclusion, blogging is a powerful tool that can significantly expand your presence across all three major customer acquisition channels: word of mouth, search, and advertising. The potential for growth is substantial, as evidenced by the rising interest in content marketing. Keep in mind that, in the world of blogging for business success, the focus should always be on what truly matters: acquiring new customers and fostering business growth. Thank you for joining us in this comprehensive lesson on promoting your blog. Remember, the journey to success begins with a well-defined purpose and a clear understanding of how your blog can contribute to your business goals. In our next video, I'll be discussing about how to increase traffic to your blog and website. Please don't forget to subscribe to be updated, and see you in our next video. Thank you for watching.